Closet Factory is a nationwide network of independently owned Closet Factory locations. Established in 1983, it has over 30 years of experience and growth. During that time, we've had continuous cutting-edge development of our products and design. We have an innovative online academy, in-person classroom, and one-on-one field training for all design consultants. Our outstanding customer service and support is provided by a highly motivated local team. As a design consultant for Closet Factory, you can offer your clients beautiful organization with our closets, home offices, entertainment centers, wall beds, pantries, libraries, craft rooms, laundry rooms, and more. When you design your career with Closet Factory, you stay in control because we schedule around your availability. You start fast with preset qualified leads. Achieve success with our proven sales formula. Stay organized using our proprietary online CRM software. Stay informed with our ongoing support. Produce professional designs with our CAD design software. Project a professional image with our handcrafted samples, extremely high-quality print brochures, digital presentations, and other professionally produced sales materials. Realize your income potential with our high commissions and lucrative incentives. It's not just about selling. When you're a Closet Factory designer, you help people change the way they live. You can deliver custom designed and fabricated organizational furniture in 30 days or less and offer your clients innovative designs from a complete line of customized products. You can offer the broadest selection of materials available along with custom painting and staining on our real wood products. You can utilize your selling skills and your creativity in the same job. You can leverage the Closet Factory brand in your sales efforts with our ever-growing internet presence and take advantage of nationally developed and tested systems. As a Closet Factory designer, you will experience the freedom of establishing your own availability and travel range. You will be able to develop your own clientele for even more scheduling freedom and build repeat business through a professional network of home developers, remodeling contractors, and interior designers. As a designer with Closet Factory, you have the freedom you need to design your own beautiful organization.